Alright, so we have x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, okay, to divide by x minus 2. So this polynomial must be divided to a divisor x minus 2. So this x minus 2 must be equate or equal to 0. So you can get the value of x will become 2. So you divide using synthetic division. So this 2 will be the divisor. Okay, just copy the numerical coefficient of every terms. Okay, just like this. Okay, 1 coming from here, 3 coming from the 3x, negative 2 from the negative 2x, and 1 for the 1 or for the constant. Then the 2, okay, which is the result with the value of x. Then next, so I wrote our horizontal line. I wrote a horizontal line. Then after that, okay, so I'll bring them the 1. So always bring down 1, then 1 times 2 is 2, then 3 plus 2 is 5, then 5 times 2 is 10, negative 2 plus 10 is positive 8, 8 times 2 is 16, then 1 plus 16 is 17. So this result will be your numerical coefficient to be mixed with the present or given variables. So 1 is here. So but before that, okay, the degree, which is 3, must be deducted by 1. So it will become x squared. So x squared, and copy the 1 here. So 1, then plus 5x plus 8. Remember that the exponent must be descending. Okay, so plus 8, then that 17 will be your remainder. Okay, so upon dividing using synthetic division, the remainder is 17. Alright, so that's the result of dividing x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 using synthetic division.